Shri Narendra Modi, Prime Minister and also in charge of Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space, all important policy issues, and or other portfolios not allocated to any minister. Cabinet Ministers 1. Shri Rajnath Singh, Minister of Defence 2. Shri Amit Shah, Minister of Home Affairs and Minister of Cooperation 3. Shri Nitin J. Ram Gadkari, Minister of Road Transport and Highways 4. SMT. Nirmala Sitharaman, Minister of Finance and Minister of Corporate Affairs 5. Shri Narendra Singh Tomar, Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare 6. Dr. Subramanyam Jayashankar, Minister of External Affairs 7. Shri Arjun Munda, Minister of Tribal Affairs 8. SMT. Smriti Zubin Irani, Minister of Women and Child Development 9. Shri Piyush Goyal, Minister of Commerce and Industry, Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, and Minister of Textiles 10. Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, Minister of Education and Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship 11. Shri Prahlad Joshi, Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, Minister of Coal, and Minister of Mines 12. Shri Narayan Tatu Rain, Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises 13. Shri Sarbanand Sonowal, Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, and Minister of Ayush 14. Shri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, Minister of Minority Affairs 15. Dr. Virendra Kumar, Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment 16. Shri Giriraj Singh, Minister of Rural Development and Minister of Panchayati Raj 17. Shri Jyotiraditya M. Scindia, Minister of Civil Aviation 18. Shri Ramchandra Prasad Singh, Minister of Steel 19. Shri Ashwini Vaishnav, Minister of Railways, Minister of Communications, and Minister of Electronics and Information Technology 20. Shri Pashupati Kumar Paras, Minister of Food Processing Industries 21. Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Minister of Jal Shakti 22. Shri Kiran Rijiju, Minister of Law and Justice 23. Shri Raj Kumar Singh, Minister of Power, and Minister of New and Renewable Energy 24. Shri Hardeep Singh Puri, Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas, and Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs 25. Shri Mansukh Mandavia, Minister of Health and Family Welfare, and Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizer 26. Shri Bhupender Yadav, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, and Minister of Labour and Employment 27. Dr. Mahendra Nath Pandey, Minister of Heavy Industries 28. Shri Parshottam Rupala, Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying 29. Shri G. Kishan Reddy, Minister of Culture, Minister of Tourism, and Minister of Development of Northeastern Region 30. Shri Anurag Singh Thakur, Minister of Information and Broadcasting, and Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports. Ministers of State Independent Charge 1. Rao Inderjeet Singh, Minister of State Independent Charge of the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Minister of State Independent Charge of the Ministry of Planning, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Corporate Affairs 2. Dr. Jitendra Singh, Minister of State Independent Charge of the Ministry of Science and Technology. Minister of State Independent Charge of the Ministry of Earth Sciences, Minister of State in the Prime Minister's Office, Minister of State in the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions. Minister of State in the Department of Atomic Energy, and Minister of State in the Department of Space. Ministers of State 1. Shri Shripad Yeso Naik, Minister of State in the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Tourism 2. Shri Fagan Singh Kuliste, Minister of State in the Ministry of Steel, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Rural Development 3. Shri Prahlad Singh Patel, Minister of State in the Ministry of Jal Shakti, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Food Processing Industries 4. Shri Ashwini Kumar Chaubey, Minister of State in the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change 5. Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal, Minister of State in the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Culture 6. General Ritidi V.K. Singh, Minister of State in the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Civil Aviation 7. Shri Krishan Pal, Minister of State in the Ministry of Power, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Heavy Industries 8. Shri Dinve Rao Saheb Dadarao, Minister of State in the Ministry of Railways, Minister of State in the Ministry of Coal, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Mines. 9. Shri Ramdas Athawale, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. 10. Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti, Minister of State in the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Rural Development. 11. Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Balyan, Minister of State in the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. 12. Shri Nityanand Rai, Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs. 13. Shri Pankaj Chowdhury, Minister of State in the Ministry of Finance. 14. SMT. Anupriya Singh Patel, Minister of State in the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. 15. Prof. S.P. Singh Baghel, Minister of State in the Ministry of Law and Justice. 16. Shri Rajiv Chandrasekhar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. 17. Sushri Shobha Karandlaje, Minister of State in the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. 18. Shri Bhanu Pratap Singh Verma, Minister of State in the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. 19. SMT. Darshana Vikram Jardosh, Minister of State in the Ministry of Textiles, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Railways. 20. Shri V. Muralidharan, Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. 21. SMT. Meenakshi Lekhi, Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Culture. 22. Shri Som Prakash, Minister of State in the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. 23. SMT. Renuka Singh Saruta, Minister of State in the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. 24. Shri Rameshwar Teli, Minister of State in the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Labor and Employment. 25. Shri Kailash Chaudhary, Minister of State in the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. 26. SMT. Annapurna Devi, Minister of State in the Ministry of Education. 27. Shri A. Narayan Swamy, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. 28. Shri Kaushal Kishore, Minister of State in the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. 29. Shri Ajay Bhatt, Minister of State in the Ministry of Defense, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Tourism. 30. Shri B. L. Verma, Minister of State in the Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Cooperation. 31. Shri Ajay Kumar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs. 32. Shri Devasin Chauhan, Minister of State in the Ministry of Communications. 33. Shri Bhagwant Khuba, Minister of State in the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizer. 34. Shri Kapil Moreshwar Patil, Minister of State in the Ministry of Panchayati Raj. 35. Sushri Pratima Bhaumik, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. 36. Dr. Subhas Sarkar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Education. 37. Dr. Bhagwat Kishan Rao Karad, Minister of State in the Ministry of Finance. 38. Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan Singh, Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Education. 39. Dr. Bharti Praveen Pawar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 40. Shri Vishweshwar Tudu, Minister of State in the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Jal Shakti. 41. Shri Shantanu Thakur, Minister of State in the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. 42. Dr. Munjapara Mahendrabhai, Minister of State in the Ministry of Women and Child Development, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Ayush. 43. Shri John Barla, Minister of State in the Ministry of Minority Affairs. 44. Dr. L. Murugan, Minister of State in the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. 45. Shri Nisit Pramanik, Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports.